a little bit. This was a piece one of my friends gave me from her last wedding, and it actually had like her theme was actually beach theme, so I'm just making it extra flowery and springy. So I added some of this mint paint, and now I'm going for the second touch. But I love how the flowers look. I am gonna add a little bit of more flowers to it because I have these really cute little ones, and my dog is being extra right now. And yeah, I like how it's coming out. I'm gonna fix the edges a little bit. It is a little bit of an oldie piece, but we're recycling. I wanted this. I thought this was perfect for the kids table. So Kayla, thank you so much. It looks super cute, and it's coming out super cute. So now that we got that done, I'm gonna be adding more flowers to it just because it obviously needs it. And this is like, guys, you never have to spend so much on things. Just ask people, do you have anything that looks with my theme? A lot of people are having weddings like this, so if you're into the whole country vintage theme, and you'll find tons of good things, and you can DIY a lot of them. I've seen these pieces a lot at Hobby Lobby at really great price because this isn't a big one. And even the letters super cheap, so you can even DIY it even if somebody else doesn't have it. I was just lucky enough to have a friend who does. It'll look super cute. I'm excited. I'm getting super excited about this. So I just got these in the mail. I just ordered regular pictures, but I ordered them in matte finish because they are going to go in these as centerpieces, part of the centerpieces. So they all have like a little special message. I just created this on the computer and uploaded it to the Walgreens website, and I love how they came out. Nice printing. So this is another idea. It's super duper cheap. Like the prints were $1 and each frame was $1. So at most I spent like 12 bucks on all of this, and each table has a little frame that they can take to their home afterwards. So it's another like a little souvenir for the people, and a little memory. Alright guys, so I finished these DIYs. I love how they came out. It's simple, easy, and it still looks super duper cute without adding it so many details. You can still DIY this a little bit more. You can add flowers to it, ribbons, whatever you like. I might do that too to the frames, but for now I'm gonna leave them just like this, just because I like how simple it looks. I just have to picture the centerpieces a little bit better. But I just did a couple of the same messages. I did 2 like this, and then all the rest are horizontal. But I love it. Very personalized, and it's a cute detail for everybody. So I'm technically done with decor. I only need to fix one of the palettes because I'm going to do the schedule there instead of handing out papers and whatnot, because people are going to probably throw those out. It's a waste of money. So I actually got those palettes from my job, and super savvy. I've tried to save as much money as possible for decor, So we're basically done with that. My mom's done with almost all of the bouquets except for mine. I think that's the hardest one, especially because I have my mindset on a certain style. So it's like the hardest, but they're beautiful. My mom is so good at that. Sorry, they're like mowing the lawn over here. And yeah, later I'm gonna go and separate the chairs because I have to. I already have the count and everything. What else do I have to do? Oh, and I have to buy more flowers just because of my bouquet and our table. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be here being a potato. Then we're gonna go to the gym and stuff because I haven't been to the gym. I've been so bad. Like, I'm so busy all the time. It's crazy. So I'll take you guys along with me if I can today. I keep saying that, and I'm just showing you all that I've been able to do, but like, my life is hectic right now. Like, the wedding getting closer, I didn't think, like, even if I did everything on time, I didn't think it was gonna be so crazy. Like, but we're excited. It's almost there, and our vacation is also almost there, so that's what I'm mostly excited for. We already have our fast passes, and we put 2 days like separate to just chill because it's a lot. We've been doing a lot for the past 2 years. We haven't had any vacation, so we deserve it. We deserve it. So we're gonna have a blast. I know it's gonna be awesome. Yay!